able to open up, I'm able to access two actual different sides at one time, so my storage people are able to get into, like, say, aisle B and aisle D at the same time to work two different aisles. I can come through with a forklift, I can come through with a pallet jack, we can put up parts. Like I said, it saves space, it collapses in, it expands out, but also when you're talking about putting up parts and accessibility, when the day is done, the unit collapses and everything is secure. I don't have to worry about access to either end of my warehouse. Everything's closed and it's secure on this end. What's unique about the touchpad system is that you can control access, but you also can pull reports and find out who had last access to it. I can set up each one of my my storage NCOs or soldiers with a unique pin, so I can tell who's accessing at one point, but I can also control access, so only people who actually have a pin have access to the system, which works really nice. Another piece that's interesting about it is it has some unique safety features. There's actually lasers that run from end, and there's another box like this on the other end, but there's also lasers that run from side to side. So the safety feature on this is that if you have a person that's physically in here working, the system won't move. It'll tell you physically on the keypads on either side that the aisle is in use. Also, if for some reason that there's an obstruction like a box or like a part that's fallen into the area, the lasers will pick up that as well. They'll also pick up if there's any overlap that's breaking any part of the laser beam, they'll pick up as that there's someone or there's something in here as well. So in either one of those situations, the aisles don't move. So until you physically come down here, check where your lasers are, and physically check to make sure there's nothing obstructing, the aisles won't move. So with the three different scenarios where you actually have physically a person that's obstructing, or you have a part or a box, sometimes it's even trash from putting parts away. If there's anything physically in here between these two aisles, you won't be able to close them until you've cleared that out. So it's a nice and it's a unique safety feature, and it's worked well for us so far.